Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to make a Gantt chart in Notion. Now, in order for us to get this done, I'm here on the Notion page, and you can go ahead and basically just click templates here, and then here in the search bar, go ahead and type here Gantt, and then you should be able to see here Gantt chart. So here's the category, and most of these are for free. You should be able to see it here. If they are paid, you should be able to see how much you'll have to pay for them. Now let's go ahead and try to utilize this free option here. I'm just going to add this one to my workspace in order for us to make some edits here. All right, now that we are here, go ahead and try to change this one. Say for example, let's go ahead and try to put here October project. All right, October project schedule. And then if you want to add covers, say for example there's something that's very important, you can definitely do that. Just go ahead and click that one and then click change cover here. You can upload one on your own. If you don't want to do that one, you can definitely choose from the options that you have seen here. All right, and then from here you can go ahead and scroll down and customize these. All right, so this for example here are customizable. The description that you can add is definitely doable. Here you can go ahead and try to take a look at the timeline, the list, and calendar. Basically they're the same, but you just have a different view. If you want to add a different view, go ahead and click this one, and then you should be able to see here other options. Again, this is going to depend on the project that you're going to be working with. You have these right here. You can go ahead and delete all of them if you want to. You can go ahead and click this one right here and choose to click the delete button right there. All right, now what if you want to add a new one? Go ahead and click this plus sign right here, and then you can go ahead and basically be able to add one. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove the sorting here, and then I'm going to go ahead and try here, say for example sync meeting or daily sync meeting. All right, and then go ahead and try to click this one. Oops, not that one, but this, and then we're going to go ahead and click this one in order for us to add an icon. Again, go ahead and choose whatever icon you want. Now another thing is the date. You can click this one right here and try to click or add a date there. All right, so now you have successfully added it, and then you have different views here. You have list, calendar, and then you can again add a new one here. Basically that is how you are going to create your own Gantt chart here in Notion.